In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from Google Drive. Whether you're working on important projects or just need to save some files for later, knowing how to download from Google Drive is an essential skill. Let's walk through each step to ensure you can easily access your files whenever you need them. First, open your preferred web browser. Head over to the Google homepage and enter Google Drive in the search bar. You'll see a list of search results, but the one you want is simply titled Google Drive. Clicking on this will take you directly to the platform where all your files are stored in the cloud. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you may see a sign-in screen if you're not already logged in. Choose the account you wish to use by clicking on it. You might be asked to enter your password if you've set this security feature. Remember, it's always a good idea to use strong passwords and enable two-step verification for added security. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to your Google Drive dashboard. Here, you'll find all the files and folders you've stored. You can either scroll through the files, or if you know the name of the file you're looking for, use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. Once you've found the file you wish to download, hover your mouse over it. To the right, you'll notice 3 vertical dots, which is the Options menu. Click on this menu to reveal several options, including Preview, Rename, and importantly, Download. Go ahead and click on Download. Your browser will start downloading the file to your designated download folder, which is usually set by default on your system. The time it takes will depend on the file size and your internet speed. Downloading files from Google Drive is generally straightforward, but if you encounter any issues, ensure that your internet connection is stable and that your browser is up to date. Sometimes, browser extensions can interfere with the downloading process. So if you're having trouble, try disabling them temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. And that's it. You've now downloaded a file from Google Drive to your local device. Remember, if the file is a shared item, you may need additional permissions from the owner to download it. Always check if you have the necessary access rights if you encounter any restriction messages during download. With Google Drive, managing and accessing your files from anywhere is made simple, and now you can confidently download any file you need.